Hey, this is Roland Cassidy at Carroll Street Classics. Today we've got this 66 Corvette Roadster all cleaned up. We did some color sanding, wet sanding and buffing with 1500, then 2500, and then a couple of stages of compound. What a difference. This thing had old paint from like the early 80s, and we cleaned it up. We cleaned the top. Check out the interior. Leather upholstery, pretty nice shape, considered original from my understanding. Nice clean instrument panel. Radio works, clock does not work, all the gauges work, including the tach, water temperature, oil pressure, voltage, and gas gauge. Pretty cool. Bows are nice. Door panels are real nice. Check out the chrome. Nice chrome. Still older paint, but it really presents itself well. There's a couple of little chips and nicks and everything, but for this price, see along the sides of the doors, the handles are nice. Pillars have a little bit of haze in them. Overall, very, very nice. 66 Corvette Roadster, Nassau Blue with a blue leather interior. That's how it came. There's one little touch-up. I'm going to show you the flaws, but remember, for this price, you can't buy a car like this for this kind of money. That's nice, that's a driver, that has a lot of receipts and owner history dating back about 34 years ago. Same family owned it 34 years. So we're going to fire it up. Look at how nice. It's got a straight no-hit body. That's what I like about it. It appears to be a no-hit body anyway. We haven't really done much with the car except for cleaned it up. Let's fire it up. See how it sounds. Power antenna. Hey, let's check it out under the hood. Pretty cool. I'm doing this by myself. I don't have my assistant today. There it is, right there. I think it's like a 68 327, dated 68, the casting number. We degreased it. It's got a 65, 66, 64, 65. Looks like a 340 horse or 365 horse air cleaner. It is an older block though. Definitely, it runs good too. Exhaust manifolds, got the distributor shielding. Sounds real good. Let me rev it up. Check it out. This thing's gonna go quick. I haven't had a chance to really do much with it. The motor was rebuilt by Manchester engine rebuilders, Gary Poole, and he went out of business. He closed his business I don't know, maybe 10 years ago. Nice body lines in it. Nice straight car. You look down the sides, man, this thing's straight. It's gonna go 42.5. It's really a good deal for this car. You got to check it out, take a closer look. Whoever gets here and takes a look at it and takes it for a test drive will definitely buy it. That's a sneak preview of the, look at how nice the doors close on that thing. 1966 Corvette Roadster in Nassau Blue. Oh, it has a matching hardtop as well. And great driver quality car. Price to sell at $42.5 at Carroll Street Classics. Listen to it. Stock exhaust. Gotta love it. Some people might say the paint's fine because if it's too nice, they're afraid to drive it. This is one of those cars that you can drive. That's a sneak preview of the 1966 Corvette Roadster at Carroll Street Classics. Come on and check it out.